This evening, I am honored to have the opportunity to introduce the winner of the Life Sciences Company of the Year Award. In order to be considered for this award, the company must be Ontario-based and active in life science research and development. Importantly, they must be involved in moving innovative products into or closer to commercialization. And as such, they should be at the pre-commercialization or at the commercialization stage. This award is open to all companies from the broad life sciences community. The winner of this year's Life Sciences Community of the Year Award is Fusion Pharmaceuticals. This company and the team responsible for its existence and amazing achievements has built its mission around the leading cause of death in Canada, cancer. According to Statistics Canada, nearly 1 in 2 Canadians will be diagnosed with cancer annually, and 1 in 4 will die from the disease. Sadly, this is a disease that either directly or indirectly is likely to impact us all. And why do I mention that? I don't want to depress anybody, but this company is working on just that. And they're not the only ones, but they've certainly made a lot of progress. The Hamilton-based company, a spin-out from McMaster University's Center for Probe Development and Commercialization, has risen from humble beginnings to show consistent growth and advances in product development, attracting investors and capital to match. The company successfully completed a second closing of its Series A financing in September 2017, raising a total of $46 million and demonstrating remarkable progress in a fiercely competitive oncology space. The company's lead program, entitled FPX-01, delivers a lethal, highly localized, radioactive payload into cancer cells, destroying tumor cells at low doses. With a clinical trial plan for early 2018, Fusion is also expanding its pipeline of products through a proprietary protein discovery platform, in-licensing target molecules, and forming new strategic partnerships. A positive market environment and defined regulatory pathway fueled by recent demand for alpha therapies for other cancers indicates that much promise for Fusion exists to achieve significant commercial success. So I'm going to ask you to join me in congratulating this amazing company, Fusion Pharmaceuticals, and the team who is here to represent the company tonight on their well-deserved recognition. And with that, I would like to welcome John Valiant, CEO of Fusion Pharmaceuticals, who will be accepting the award for the company tonight. Welcome, John.
Thank you very much. On behalf of a very incredibly talented team of people who helped not only create but launch Fusion, we would like to thank the LSO board, the awards committee, and all the people it takes to put on such a large event and the hard work that goes behind the scenes for this very prestigious award. I want to begin by thanking the people who invested in Fusion, who trust our technology, who believe in our team. It's an international syndicate of investors bringing a significant source of funding to launch this company. One group that I'm very pleased to highlight is an Ontario-based investor, Genesis Capital, who not only provided funds to support Fusion, but in fact, tremendous amount of support years before it even formed in helping us cultivate the idea of launching an innovative drug company in Hamilton. I'd also like to acknowledge McMaster University. McMaster is actually pioneering a new concept in how to actually launch commercialization in the bioeconomy. I would invite you actually to keep your eyes open for a number of emerging companies coming out of Hamilton who I think is going to set the bar even higher for this exciting field. I would be remiss if I didn't acknowledge the federal government's network center. This is a bit of a mouthful. Network Centers of Excellence for Commercialization of Research program, the CSER program, as well as the provincial government's Ontario Institute of Cancer Research and FACET, who actually years ago nucleated this whole idea and enabled a chemistry professor to think about changing his career and actually taking technologies out of the lab and creating new companies. So just before I wrap up, the one other group I'd like to acknowledge, in fact, is the families of the distinguished team over here. For those people who are those are the people who truly actually understand how much time, effort, stress, and fun go into actually launching a new company. And that includes not only Fusion, but also the Center for Probe Development and Commercialization, who actually helped nucleate this whole idea. So on behalf of them, I'd like to again thank the organizing committee, thank Life Sciences Ontario, and again, congratulations to the other winners. Thank you.